Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts. This is yet another reading. Today I am doing the air signs and there are Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. I was just checking like I always check. So these are general predictions for these three signs and they come under the element of air. I'm going to repeat them: Gemini, Libra and Aquarius, and I'm going to do messages today. I've already uploaded earth signs and these are air signs. Guys, general reading, always remember that whatever I say and might or might not resonate. Not all messages might resonate. So remember always to follow your instinct, like I always say, and to believe in yourself. That's the best thing to do. These are just guidances to put you on the right path and to validate what you've been thinking or to put you on in the right direction. Some kind of contract that's going to happen in 6 months might not happen or will be delayed. If it's a legal situation and you were waiting for a legal outcome or outcome of the legal battle that you're involved with will take 6 months. Six number is important to you, or you are dealing with the person which is who is a six number. So that's the first message, and I open the reading with the first message, which was about the legal situation, guys. And it will take 6 months for the judgment to come out, is what I feel. Broken heart. I didn't want to start the reading like that, yeah. But it's come reverse. So, guys, you are healing from a broken heart. It's been 9 months, or you've been involved with somebody who's a number nine, or you're a number nine. I also get from 9 days now that you're feeling much better, and it's like your heart is healing and you've understood that nothing more can be done this in this situation. The person had to go. I also feel that if you had a fight, you guys are back together. So the broken heart has healed also, is what I get. It's almost, it has joined there. If you see, the heart is broken into two pieces, looks very painful, but I also feel that two people have gotten back together after a major fight. I get a major fight and you guys are back together. Feeling strong, also dealing with a Leo. Feeling strong right now. Air signs are feeling extremely good, like a lion, like a lioness. Like I always say, there is Leo energy in this. So this is a strength card. You're feeling very strong. That's what I'm going to say again and again. I also feel that you will face any situation, or there is no battle that's going to really scare you. That's the kind of message I get. So it's like the challenge that bring it on, or probably it's the way you see life right now also, and it's all about bring it on. You're not scared about anything. You're not scared of anybody, is also what I get. Or no situation, I also feel that no situation is scaring you. And like I was saying, I also feel that you're ready for everything that life is going to bring you. I think you've prepared for yourself for either the financial crisis that you were foreseeing, or there was something in your life that you were foreseeing and you did get prepared for it. And it is you are doing good right now, and it is like almost saying to life, challenge accepted, and you didn't step back, and you are going to win in this situation, is the message I get. I'm also going to give you alphabets, numbers, lucky colors, charms, whatever I think I can to the sign. Let's see what's another message for a sign. I'm holding the energy cards, guys. A lot of possibilities are going to go open up for you. I feel in 6 weeks and it's 6 months, new projects are coming, multiple projects are coming. So I see not just doors opening, I also see windows opening. You won't even imagine where the opportunity will crop up from. I don't know why I get it. So if you just started something new, it's a new business, or it's also if you wanting to meet somebody for marriage. I don't know why I get that. Or you're single and you really want somebody in your life, there'll be a lot of options for you guys. And especially in business or something, I get it's multiple options, and you will be so happy that suddenly so many doors have opened for you. Maybe 2 months, 3 months back, you weren't very sure of the situation. You wanted to shut the business down, or you didn't want to open your business, is what I get. But in these coming months, in these 6 months, things are really going to change for you, and I see a lot of light. It's almost like I want to say that there is light at the end of the tunnel. And there were dark days when you were miserable, you were not happy with what was happening in your life, but suddenly so many possibilities have opened up, and also from places you never imagined. It's like things will just fall on your lap and you will be so thankful to God. And that's a wonderful card for me right now. The financial constraints, I think you were going through financial constraints. I don't know why this card doesn't fit into the future for air signs. It's halfway open. I also think that you did save for the rainy day, guys. because this is half open, half closed. And I think for 4 months you weren't in a good financial position. Finances were worrying you. You didn't know where you will, get the next dinner or lunch, or some of you did go through major losses, or there was a financial crisis. I want to use the word crisis because that's coming to me as a channel message. But I think right now you also save for a rainy day, which is behind this half closed cupboard. And yes, you're using money here, you're not digging into your savings, and I think possibilities are going to open up for you. So whatever financial constraint, crisis, or if you had a problem, financial problem, there was no stability, I think there will be stability in your life. Guys, just hold on and stand your ground and carry on, keep going. Things will be fine. Let's see what's the other card. From 1 year from now, your business is going to bloom. If it's a new relationship, it's going to bloom. I also get a birth of a child. You also got the news that there is going to be a child in your family within an year, guys. I feel that. And I also feel a woman turning into a mother. I also feel new things coming up in the business. I also feel a lot of you will be diversing. Probably if you open one kind of a business, there will be an inroad for the second kind of business, and it will be related to your first business, like a different arm. But you're going to get money from two places, and you never thought you could diversify your business, and it's going to become two channels of income. I get it that way, the channel message. And things are going to be really great for you from within a year from now. And I'm going to include May, so till next May things are going to be fantastic. And I also see a birth of a child. That just went flying off, so I'm not going to take that. I have to. I'll take that later. But sometimes the energy is so high, they just fly off. For somebody, man really loves you. The man you're involved with really loves you, and thinks a lot about you, feels a lot about you. Though the person doesn't say much, I feel the person is not expressive when it comes to expressing his feelings. But yes, the man loves you because I can see the heart here. And I also get, for a lot of you, somebody is waiting for you to say a yes. I'm getting that big time. I think in 6 months you're going to strengthen the relationship, or you're going to say yes to the guy, or the guy is going to say yes to you. And I feel this is another Gemini. It is also a Gemini dealing with a Gemini. And the person is going to say a big yes to you, though the person is going to take time to express. Though Geminis are very expressive, but I also get this guy is going to take time to express his feelings, or probably to commit to you. Maybe he's going to take time to commit to you. Probably he's told you that he started liking you. I get that quite a lot in my channel message. That's exactly the way I wanted to tell you. Things are going to be better, I told you. And it's going to be 7 months. Seven is a good number for you. Things are going to open up. You're going to see happiness, you're going to see abundance. It's come reversed because right now it's a time for waiting, guys. Everything will be yours. Happiness, rainbow, peace, calm, things blossoming, abundance. And I also see a new place. And I don't know why I said a garden. I also feel you're going to put plants. If you don't have a garden in your balcony, you want to make it green, and that's really a thought on your mind. You've been thinking about putting nice plants in your balcony. Or if you want to move, I really feel that you want to be somewhere near a farm, or somewhere where it's very green. I'm getting that somewhere next to the hills, and you're going to go to the hills in 7 months. I also get that a big message that you are going to go to the hills. Yes, and seven is what I get. Seven is a good number for you guys. Their signs. I'm going to use Archangel Gabriel cards. Let's see what the messages are. What are the messages? What does Archangel Gabriel wants? What does the Archangel Gabriel want to tell us? Wants to tell us gratitude. Say thank you to whatever is happening in your life, and show gratitude to everyone and for everything that belongs in your life, or also people who did come in your life, did teach you a lesson, and no more belong in your life. And I'm going to read it out. It also says you attract more blessings when you appreciate your current blessings. It's also saying that you are happy for the things that you have in your life. I think gratitude is also correctly written here in that way, that once you accept the blessings, how good a position you are in right now, that everything is fine, and you're here, and you're alive, and you're happy, and you have your health with you. Those blessings, we need to count on those blessings, and we need to say thank you to God for making us feel happy or the way we are, and not always counting what we don't have. It's also counting what we actually have, and that is also most important. We are always saying things like, I don't have this, I don't have a car, I don't have this, I don't have, I have to earn this, and we never say I am thankful to God for giving me 3 meals in a day, for giving me a healthy life, happy life, for giving me such a wonderful family. I think we need to acknowledge that, and very few of us have to, we do that, and we have a habit of doing that, and I think we should inculcate that habit in us, and we should actually show our gratitude to others as much as we can and as often as we can. Speeches and speaking. Air signs are good with communication, especially Geminis. I think a lot of Geminis are just going to give speeches, take classes, give classes. I'm going to say give more because they love talking. It is something about taking classes, also improving on your skin, or if I said improving on your skin, I also want to include this message. It's a channel message that a lot of you are paying attention to your skin. Probably you had a skin problem. This is for air signs, not for Gemini. So a lot of you had a skin problem and you are doing a lot of home remedies, is what I get. So you are taking care of your skin. Probably you never got time to take care of your skin because you were always so busy. But I feel a lot of home remedies. So I'm going to say that because that was a channel message. And you are also improving your skills. That's what I wanted to say. So guys, it's learning something new. Or if you learn something new, you're actually sharing it with the world, talking about it. Probably that's what it says. It says speeches and speaking, and you've been talking about it, or you've been telling people about it, that you've got this new skill or you got this new certificate and you're going to use it for other people's good or whatever, to earn money or a new way of earning money. So I get that message. Let's see what are the other messages for you guys. Writers group. A lot of you are writers. I feel especially Geminis because I'm a Gemini, and Gemini love communicating, love talking, love writing. I love writing, and writing is my life. So a lot of you have started writing a journal also, is what I feel, and you joined a group probably on Facebook or something. You've joined a group, or so a lot of you have joined a group where you can share thoughts. I want to say share thoughts, like more like a intellectual group, and I'm not going to say a spiritual group. I mean more intellectual, probably sharing the skills that you have acquired or learning from each other. I also get learning from each other. Could be a group where you learn new things from each other. So that's what I get. Two more messages from this pile I want to take. Helping children. Some of you actually are going to help children with your words, with your art, with your craft. There's something to do with children. Everybody's spending a lot of time with their family, with their children. Probably you loving that time is also what I get. A lot of air signs probably didn't get time with their kids, and they are helping their kids study or helping them with little different creative classes or anything. And I think you are loving that. Or probably your kid was very young, and you didn't want to leave your kid. You wanted to go, you had to go to work, but suddenly this with this situation, you're happy that you're taking care of your kid. I also got taking care of a son. I was going to say son, so maybe it's a son. It's a son that you're taking care of, and like I said, you are improving your writing skills. So it's not necessarily that you're a writer. Probably you've launched your own website and you yourself have to write stuff for you, description, something, or you have to sell your own product. So you are bettering your skills, and you are doing a good job in your writing. And I also get somebody teaching you. Probably it's your older, it's somebody who's much elder to you, or something like that in years, and is more mature. So that person is teaching you or helping you. Also get somebody's helping you acquire that skill. Could be that message too. You are taking classes, guys. Air signs, you are taking classes. I don't know who, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, which one. All of you, one of you, two of you, somebody is taking classes. I am also taking classes. I'm learning new skills. I'm learning crystal healing, and I'm learning a lot of things. And I'm also a psychology student, so I'm bettering my skills there. I'm doing higher studies. Somebody is taking classes, or you teaching somebody, or you getting taught. There is one thing. So guys, that's a big message, and it's actually around the same message again and again. Let me see. I want to take some alphabets, and normally my alphabets also, they form a word. Let me see what is important. I'm taking some alphabets, and I'm going to put them on my palm to see if they form a word. You've got B. B is important for you. You've got S. S is important for you as an alphabet. G is important for you. I want to see if it forms a word. S is important for you, and so is T. It's normally not for forming any word because I don't have any vowels, and I don't know what it forms. But yes, T, S, B, and G are important for you guys. Maybe if you start a new business, or you're at a place, or you're going to move to a place, anything. It could be anything. It could be meeting somebody whose name starts with those alphabets. I'm also going to do colors and charms. Sorry, it's noisy. Let me take out some colors and charms. A lot of blue. I love blue, guys. I can't believe this. Maybe it's all for me, this reading, Gemini. I love blue, so blue is here in every form. Light blue, a little lighter, different blue. I'm going to call it the Mediterranean blue, and I love the Mediterranean blue. It gives me so much peace. This reading is almost actually about me, I think. I'm talking about myself all the time. This is another blue. This is a darker version, it's got this tinge of purple in it. And yes, so is orangish red. I'm not going to say a red, I'm not going to say it an orange, because it's an orange with a little reddish tinge. So those are nice. And let's see if I want to give any love messages. Let me do two cards. Yeah, let me do two cards. Why not? Let's do two love messages for you guys. Let's see what are the two love messages. I hope you enjoyed your reading. Compassion, show compassion. I think you're really compassionate, you care about your loved ones. I think if it's with the partner, you really love and care for the other person, and you really compassionate, and you really take care of the other person, and the other person really loves you and takes care of you. So that's the energy, or those are the words that came to me when I held the card. Somebody's trust is not there because this came reversed. I think there is something to do with trust. It's like not trusting the person, taking time to trust the person, or the other person is taking time to trust. I also get this is a new relationship where it's about the other person is taking time to trust you. There's a trust factor, or I want to give the message that do trust the person. I don't think there's anything wrong. It's good to take time to put all your faith in one person, in a person. Um, uh, Before committing or before taking the relationship forward. But I think that trust is an issue with a few of you, a lot of you, one of you, because this is a general meeting. Why did I say general meeting? Guys, when I have a slip of tongue, it is a message. There is going to be a general meeting, which is going to be called. If you're in an office and there is going something going to be discussed, maybe it is a meeting. Though it's a love card, there is some meeting that's going to be happen, and it will be a general meeting. But you think your trust will be broken, or some issue with trust, guys. Do comment on the comment section if it did resonate for you, because it started in a different kind of with a different kind of a message. But because it slipped out of my mind. It's a general meeting. I want to take that some general meeting, general body meeting in an office. Something is going to happen, which is not going to make you really happy, guys. Though I didn't want to end on it, so I'm going to do one more card. Let's see what the card is. Release. You got to release something, guys, and you are not going to release it because this is going to this came reversed. So this means you've released something negative in your life, but this is not releasing, still thinking about it, or going to get back together. There is something that needs to be solved. Maybe there's a trust issue. You guys remember I started with the broken heart. Maybe it ends with that. So broken heart is going to mend because you didn't release the person. You two didn't release each other. It was I think some misunderstanding. I don't know why I got a misunderstanding word. The word is misunderstanding, guys. So that is a big message. So those were the readings and the predictions, guys, for you. I hope you enjoyed your readings, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another prediction. Though I have to still load water sign and air sign. Those two are left, and I feel like doing water tomorrow. Yes, I will do water sign tomorrow. So take care, guys. Good night. Do subscribe to my channel, and do like hit the like button, and do comment below. I always read the comments, all the comments of all the videos. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. Good night. Bye.